Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how you can create mobile-friendly sites using the Bootstrap site builder. So I will start with a empty page. I'll also add a button to this page. So on this page, we only have a heading and a button. And now I will show you how you can change these elements for use on a mobile phone. First, I'll select this heading. Now, if I want this heading to be visible only on the mobile devices, then I can just select this option, visible on mobile devices only. And what happens is that this heading is not displayed in the desktop version, but if I turn on the mobile preview, you'll see that the heading is here. I can do the same for this button, and you can also do the opposite, in which you can just show the heading on the desktop and it will now be hidden on the mobile preview. And one more thing, you also have this option to hide this on all the devices and not include this item on in the page HTML. What you can also do is, let's say you want like two different headings. So you want like this heading to be visible on the mobile device, and you want one more heading, like I'll duplicate this heading, like I can say this heading mobile, and I can say heading desktop. And what I can do now is I can just like I can make it visible on desktop, this one, and I can make this visible on mobile. So this will be on mobile and this will be on desktop. But instead of creating multiple headings like this, there's a much easier way to do it. So for that, what you have to do is, let's say I want to create multiple variations for this button. So I will go to this button, then I will click this option here, and I will say add a mobile variation. Now what happens is it has created a few tabs for all the variations. So LG, this stands for desktop. So this will be variation visible on sizes LG and below. So variation visible on desktop and below. And I can add as many variations I want. So I can also add one more variation. So I can show it. So I can give you a better example. So let's say I change this to SM. SM is mobile. Okay. So I'll say a mobile button. Okay, this will be until the desktop, so I can say tablet and desktop. The text would be this, and this is the default variation. So this will be this is the default variation. Let me go to the mobile preview. So as this is a very small screen, so it will say mobile button. Now as I start expanding this and it reaches this particular width, so this turns into tablet and desktop. This variation that we created, LG variation visible on LG and below. And as we expand it even further, it goes to default variation. So this is a great way to create multiple variations of an item for different devices.